Hello everyone, and welcome to this short training on SRAC, the Student Result Analysis Core. My name is Tanishq, and I am the developer of SRAC. In the next few minutes, I will show you how to correctly configure subject codes so that SRAC gives you perfect results every single time. Let us begin. Before we touch SRAC, there is one golden rule you must always remember: garbage in equals garbage out. It simply means this: if you enter wrong subject codes in Excel, SRAC will give you a wrong report. But if you enter correct codes, SRAC will give you a correct report. Inside your SRAC folder, you will find one small folder called Subject Data. Inside it, there are two Excel files, sem_data.xlsx and data_set.xlsx. Both files are compulsory. Please do not delete any one of them. They work together, and SRAC needs both to run properly. Let us look at the first file, sem_data.xlsx. This file is like the map of your semester. It has 8 columns, from semester 1 to semester 8. In each column, you enter only the subject codes for that semester. Please remember, no subject names, no credits, no faculty names go inside this file. Only subject codes. Now, one important rule. The number of subject entries in each semester column must be greater than or equal to the number of subjects a student actually studies. Why? Because some subjects are optional and different students may pick different ones. So we must include all possible options. Let us understand optional subjects. Sometimes a student chooses only one subject from many. For example, yoga or NSS or physical education. SRAC cannot guess which one the student picked. So, we use the OR operator, the vertical bar symbol. For example, this tells SRAC, accept whichever subject the student has attempted. You can also combine more than 2 optional subjects. Just keep chaining them with the pipe symbol. For example, this means the student has 5 valid options, and SRAC will pick whichever subject appears in the data. There is no limit, you can add as many as you need. Now, a very important formatting rule. When you use the pipe symbol, you must not put any spaces around it. For example, yoga pipe NSS pipe P is correct. But yoga space pipe space NSS is wrong. Even a single space will break SRAC. So please, no spaces anywhere near the pipe symbol. Now let us talk about special mark subjects. Some VTU subjects are not out of 100 marks. For such subjects, we use suffix symbols. The $sign means the subject is out of 200 marks. The hash sign means 150 marks. And the @ sign means 250 marks. Please remember, these symbols are used only inside sem_data.xlsx. You can also combine optional subjects with special marks. But there is one rule. All the combined optional subjects must have the same maximum marks. Now let us look at a real example from a VTU semester. Here you can see a real Sem 6 column. Normal subjects like B, EC 6-0-1 and B, EC 6-0-2 are written directly. But when there are optional subjects, we combine them with the pipe symbol like BP K658 pipe BNS K658 pipe BYO K658. And you can see, one row even has 7 optional subjects chained together. This is exactly how a real sem_data file looks. Now, the second file, data_set.xlsx. This is like the subject dictionary. It has 4 columns: subject, sub_name, credit, and teacher. Here, you enter the subject code, the full subject name, the credit value, and the faculty name teaching that subject. Now, a very important rule for data_set.xlsx. Never use the $, hash, or @ symbols inside this file. These suffix symbols belong only in sem_data. For example, in data_set, just write BP K658, plain code, no suffix. Do not write BP K658 $. Keep the code clean. Similarly, the pipe operator, the OR operator, is not allowed inside data_set.xlsx. Even if your sem_data has 3 optional subjects chained together, in data_set you must enter only one row. Just write BPK658, then the name like yoga/NSS/P, then credit as 0, and then the teacher's name. Never chain codes with pipe symbol here. Slide 15. And finally, a quick summary. Both Excel files are required. Enter only subject codes in sem_data. Use the pipe symbol only inside sem_data. No spaces around pipe. Use the $, hash, and @ symbols only in sem_data. Never use them in data_set. Never use the pipe symbol in data_set. And most importantly, correct input equals correct SRC analysis. That is it. Thank you for watching and happy analyzing.